Hello everyone, I am Deepa Joshi from Bangalore. We have come here before 2 days with my mother-in-law, father-in-law, my husband and my son. So I want to share one amazing experience which I had within 2 days. What happened? We have come here Friday evening and my mother-in-law she has entered first time in Pyramid Valley and meditation center in Mega Pyramid. She was feeling so much fear what to do, how to do. So she was very much fearful, and I was sitting beside her, and that in front of Buddha. So I have closed my eyes, and I have requested Buddha, "Hey Buddha, please take care of her. She is so much afraid. She has never done this meditation in this place." And really, then Buddha has heard my words. Next day morning, what she said? She said, "I want to be here permanent. I don't want to go home." So that was the magic of Pyramid Valley and meditation. She is not aware of meditation. She is doing other spiritual activities. But now since 2 days, she is enjoying this place very much. She said, rest of the life, I want to be here and I want to do serve all the people. So friends, please come with your parents, your children, everybody. So they will get the benefit. If they are not doing meditation, no issue. But if they will come here, definitely your life will be changed and everybody will be healthy and so happy and peaceful. So please come and come. Thank you so much.